Looking for a powerful solution to repair damaged zip files? If yes, download the Recovery Tool Zip Repair software designed with special features. To know more about the software, please watch the video. Simple software interface is an advantages of this utility. Click on Next button to start the process. Click on the Select File button and browse zip file from your system. After that, click on Next button to continue the process. Here you can see the zip file data. Select folder as per need. After that, click on Next button to continue the process. Select destination path for the repaired zip files. Click on Repair button to start the process. Conversion completed successfully. Click on OK button. The Resultant folder is automatically open. Here you can see the repaired zip files.